People, back at it again with another amazing video. Okay, today I'm going to talk about a really awesome app that you see right now. It is called JoJo's Amazing Premium. Now, this is an awesome application for JoJo's Amazing TV service. Okay, now this right here is a cross between Smarters and IPTV. Okay, that being said, I'm going to show you real quick, guys, how this looks, how it's run, and how it's set up. It's super easy, and then at the end of the video, I'll show you how to get this. So, when you download this video or download this application, you're going to be prompted a screen that has a username and password. You enter those in and hit login. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. The first launch is going to take a little bit longer. It's going to take about like less than 30 seconds, but once you got it rolling, it works great. As you see here, you have your movies, your TV series. Watch, you go into movies. You have your movies here. You choose the movie you want to watch. You can either hit to add to favorite or play. Okay, I'm gonna click out of there, and then you got your TV series. Real quick and easy. You just choose the series you want to watch. You choose the episodes, and you click your episodes what you want to watch. Okay. Now, TV guide. Yes, this has a TV guide and it works great. We're going to hit TV guide. You're going to choose, let's say you know the TV channel you want to watch is in US cinema. You see how is at 844, so that's probably right here. Actually, no, it's 844, so that means this right here. You see that? Team Life, okay, on Cinema Action.
I won't have it.
There you go. Okay, and if you want to make it full screen, you simply just click on the bar. There you go. And then you hit back out, and you hit back out again, and you're good. Now, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. Sometimes the TV guide doesn't match up. All you have to do, see these three dots? Hit update EPG, which means update the TV guide. And what it'll do is it'll update it and see if it fixes its error. Really great. All right. And also update playlist means it'll update the channels just to see if any issue with the channels, it'll fix it. So that's that. Now you have your recordings and Catchup. To be honest with you, you can click into it. You may not see something there. Don't freak out, okay? And then you have your best part, the live TV. Click into it. As you see here, you have your live TV section.
First started showing,
and then let's say you want to hit to the favorites, like you want to see your favorite. So like you choose your channel, you see the channel, you click and hold the select button, okay? And you see right there, it pulls it up to where your
plastic pollution
your favorites is at. Also, you can go through the categories you see here.
You can do the whole thing
a lot
with
of categories, and you could choose. Let's say, for example, right here, we just click into a 5-star max.
Irresponsible now.
Yeah, there you go. So we back out. We want to save that into favorites. Hold that, and then you see down here you'll have also your TV guide. Okay, sorry about that, guys. You see your TV guide. You see that? Awesome. So now you're like, well, okay, Joe, that doesn't help me nothing. I want to see the favorites. There you go. Pulls it up. Easy. Easy squeezy lemon peasy. I don't even know if I said that right. But if you guys don't have this service, it is awesome to have. You have everything here. Okay? This is really awesome way to use the JoJo's Amazing TV service, IPTV. Also, it gives you your expiration date, which it shows the day first, okay? It's, you know, it shows the month in the middle and the year at the end. Okay, now I'm going to show you where it says my account. It shows your username, and then it shows your active, and then it says the date that it expires correctly and that it's not a trial. And as you see here, whenever you start it, and pretty much you log out. Now, once you're done, you want to log out, okay, which we're done. It's like a quick tutorial of this. It's really nice application. If you guys don't know about it, download it. And it is a paid internet service, okay? Internet TV service. Okay, guys? So that means there is a monthly fee. Okay? So now you're like, okay, that's cool and all. I'm interested. All the information is down below. Or you can actually check my website, which is jojosamazingvideo.com. You can check that out, and that will help you out even more. Okay? So you see here the file link button here. What you guys want to do is download file link. If you don't have file link, the links are down below in the description, or at the end of the video I'm going to have end screens. Okay, guys? So that it shows the videos how to download it. Okay? And what you do is once you have the file link, this button here, this icon here, you're going to click into it. Give it a second. And it's going to load up. And then you're going to be prompted where it says code. You're going to enter in my channel's code in. It's 645-39676. Once you guys have that code in, you're going to hit continue. Okay? And it should pull up my store. Give it a second. And there you go. Pulls it up. That's dismissed. And it's right here. JoJo's Amazing Premium. You're going to click that download button. Okay, guys? Allow it to download. And once it downloads, this download button is going to turn to a play button. Okay? While it's doing that, guys, if you don't have JoJo's Amazing TV, it's a great service, internet TV. Link information is down below, and also check out my website. It gives you way more information, and you could get in contact with me, and we get your service start rolling. Okay, your service rolling. You know what I mean. But anyways, you see that button there? Turn to a play button. You're gonna click that play button and click install. Once you hit install, it's gonna download into your device, and it's gonna say done and open, and you're good to go. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Also, check me out on Facebook, Telegram, and Twitter. All the information you need to know is down below. If you guys are interested in the service, prices are set at a very cheap price. Check them out on jojosamazingvideos.com and let me know if you guys want service, okay? If you're interested, hit me up, and hope to hear from you guys. Have a great evening.